They can put a hole in it. Oh, there was no gas in it. You can go see what it did. See if I missed it. I got a hole in it. The hole right there. You see there's a hole in it. Let's see. There's the hole. Nice. And there's the other hole. I think it came all the way through. Bitch smells like gas. But it didn't have no gas in it, so it didn't blow the fuck up. Oh well. Next time I have gas in it, I'll find one out there that ain't got this full of gas. There's the exit wound, and here is the entrance wound. And that was soft tip Winchester soft tip bullet. If that was FMJ, it'd be clean hole. That's a pretty good size hole though. All right, I'm done recording. Didn't blow up.